Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable swipe to unlock on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on lock screen. Now from here, just tap on screen lock and biometrics. Now from here, just enter your lock screen password. Then tap on continue. Now from here, instead of your password, just select swipe. Now, as you can see, we have successfully enabled swipe to unlock on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable swipe to unlock on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.